Hi children, so in this video we are going to discuss worksheet 6 in page number 52 in your workbook. So in this worksheet we are going to discuss multiplying and dividing money. So already you have learned how to multiply and divide with money. So here is a bill. Okay, so Mrs. Rao bought art material for her children. So this is her bill. So Mrs. Rao, no, she is getting some material from the Picasso's art store. So here are the items. So what are the items she is getting? Poster colors, brushes, palettes, crayons, drawing books. So these are the items she purchased from that Picasso's art shop. So here they have given the number of items and here they have given the amount. So she got 9 bottles of poster colors. So the cost of 9 bottles of poster colors is 562 rupees 50 paise. And 7 brushes. So she got 7 brushes. So the cost of 7 brushes is 164 rupees 50 paise. Then 2 palettes. So the cost of 2 palettes is 80 rupees. Next, 5 boxes of crayons. So the cost of 5 boxes of crayons is 311 rupees 25 paise. Then 2 drawing books. So it cost 70 rupees. So these are the items she got from that art store. So using this bill, so we have to find out the answer for these questions. So here they have given few questions. So using this bill, we are going to answer for that bill. Okay, now look at the first question. So what was the total amount Mrs. Rao paid on the bill? So they're asking for the total amount. So after getting these items from the shop, so how much amount she has paid? So that is the question. So since it is a total amount, we have to add. So these are the amounts they have given for the each item. So we have to add. So you know how to add money. So first what we have to do? We have to add the paise column and then we have to add the rupee column separately. Okay, now so you know how to add. So let us add this. So the total amount Mrs. Rao paid on the bill is 1188 rupees 25 paise. So this is the amount she has paid. Now look at the second question. So use the bill to fill in the answer below. So we have to use this. So cost of one brush. Here they have given the cost of the brushes. So how many brushes? Yeah, 7 brushes cost 164 rupees 50 paise. So this is the cost of 7 brushes. But here they asked us to find the cost of one brush. So to find the cost of one brush, what we have to do? We have to divide the given amount by 7. So let us divide. So the divisions you can do it in your rough notebook and write only the answers alone. So here we are going to divide 164 rupees 50 paise by 7. So here since here it is the first digit is 1, so it is smaller than 7. So we are going to take the first 2 digit, that is 16. So 7 2s are 14. So next what we have to do? We have to subtract. 6 minus 4, 2. Here 1 minus 1, 0. No need to write. So here again 2 is smaller than 7. So we have to bring the next digit down. So here it becomes 24. So 24 is not in the table of 7. So 7 3s are less than 24. 21. 7 3s are 21. So if we subtract 4 minus 1, 3. Then 2 minus 2, 0. We no need to write that. So next we have to bring the next digit down because 3 is smaller than 7. We cannot divide that. So we are bringing the next digit down. So before bringing that, we have a point in the dividend, isn't it? So what we have to do? So we have to place the point in the quotient also. So after placing the point in the quotient, we have to bring the digit next to the point. So now here it becomes 35. So again 35 is in the table of 5. So 5 7s are 35. So again if we subtract 0. So 3 minus 3 0. Again we have one more digit, that is 0. So if we have to bring it down. So 7 into 0 is 0. So if we subtract again 0. So the remainder is 0 and the quotient is 23.50. So we can read this as 23 rupees 50 paise. So the cost of one brush is 23 rupees 50 paise. So we have to write that here. Okay. So now next, what is the B question? Cost of one box of crayon. So this is what they have asked. Here they have given the cost of 5 boxes of crayons is 311 rupees 25 paise. So to find out the cost of one box of crayons, we have to divide this 311 rupees 25 paise by 5. So let us divide now. So we can do the rough work in your rough note. So 311 rupees 25 paise by 5. So here again 3 we cannot divide. So we are taking the first 2 digits. 6 5s are 30. Subtraction. So 1 minus 0 1. 3 minus 0. Sorry, 3 minus 3 0. So we are going to bring the next digit down. So here it becomes 11. So 5 2s are 10. So if we subtract now, 1 minus 0 1. 1 minus 1 0. So here again, so in the dividend we have point. So what we have to do? We have to place the point in the quotient and then we have to bring the digit down. So here it becomes 12. So 12 is not in the table of 5. So what we have to do? Yeah, 5 2s are 10. So then subtract, here it becomes 2. So now 2 is again smaller. So we have one more digit to bring it down. So here it becomes 25. So in fifth table, 5 5s are 25. Again if we subtract now, here it becomes 0. So the remainder is 0 and the quotient is 62.25. So we can read this as 62 rupees 25 paise. Okay, so now we have found the cost of one box of crayons. So the cost of one box of crayons is 62 rupees 25 paise. So this is the cost of one box of crayons. So now I hope you are clear how to do these sums. So now you are going to do the C1, D1 and E1. So do the rough work in your rough note and write only the answers in your workbook. Now look at the question number 3. So now use the above to answer this. So now we are going to use this one to answer these questions. So what is the first question? Cost of 3 brushes. So here in the bill they have given the cost of 7 brushes. Using that we have found the cost of 1 brush. So now we have to find the cost of 3 brushes. So to find the cost of 3 brushes, what we have to do? We have to multiply. So we know the cost of 1 brush, that is 23 rupees 50 paise. So we have to multiply this amount by 3. So you know how to do multiplication, isn't it? So 23 rupees 50 paise into 3. So if we multiply, what we will get? 0 into 3, 0. 5 3s are 15. So carry over 1. 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 1, 10. Again 0 here. Carry over 1. 3 3s are 9. Sorry, 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1, 7. So this is the answer. So in the question we have point. So we have to place the point in the answer also. So we can place the point here. So we can read this as 70 rupees 50 paise. So the cost of 3 brushes is 70 rupees 50 paise. So this is the cost of 3 brushes. Okay, so now look at the second question. Cost of 9 drawing books. So here we have not found the cost of 1 drawing book. This you are going to find it and then complete this one. So next C1 cost of 5 bottles of poster colors. So here we didn't find the cost of 1 bottle of poster color. So this you are going to do it. After completing that you can do the C1 also. Next, cost of 2 boxes of crayons. Yes, this we can do it because we have found the cost of 1 box of crayons. So the cost of 1 box of crayons is 62 rupees 25 paise. So to find the cost of 2 boxes of crayons, what we have to do? We have to multiply this amount by 2. So we have to perform the multiplication. So if we multiply 62 rupees 25 paise by 2, so we will get our answer as 124 rupees 50 paise. So the cost of 2 boxes of crayons is 124 rupees 50 paise. So next, look at the E1, cost of 6 pallets. So here we didn't find that. So you are going to find the cost of 1 pallet. After finding that, you can find the cost of 6 pallets. So I hope you understood how to complete this. So in the same way, you just complete the second one C, D, E, and in third one B, C and E. So in page number 52. Thank you, children.